Hello once again everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to exercise for my waist. So I'm doing this daily. So para lumit ang ating baywang. Let's do this. Warm up like this. And then you can straight. Yung paulit-ulit. You can pose like that. And then back. And then straight. Paulit-ulit na guys. Araw-araw mo lang. Kung gusto mo talaga mamit ang ewan mo. Ang ganyan. Okay guys, that is it. I'll see you tomorrow. Once again, please follow me and share like this video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.